Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of Science 1, Chapter 1 Gravitation. Hope you all are enjoying these online classes. Today, we will study Earth's gravitational acceleration. Earth's gravitational acceleration and discuss the changes in the value of acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by small g. But before that, let us quickly revise what all we have studied till now. So, you all know that the gravitational force is the force of attraction not only between the earth and the other body, but also between any two bodies in the universe. So, in the example of the two bottles, there exists force of gravitation between the two bottles. At the same time, the earth also exerts the force of gravity on the bottles. This force of gravity is much greater than the force of gravitation between the bottles, and hence the bottles do not move towards each other. This means the force of gravitation is a very weak force as compared to the force of gravity. Though very weak in magnitude, the force of gravitation still controls the universe and decides its future. Now, force of gravitation is there between the two bottles. You will think that since the big bottle has more mass, it will exert greater force on the small bottle, and the small bottle having less mass will exert less force on the big bottle. Hence, I had asked you to imagine, yes, imagine the small bottle to be pulled by the big bottle. I had also asked you to neglect the motion of the big bottle. But the force of gravitation that is there between the two bottles is the same. That is, if the big exerts force F1 on small and small exerts force F2 on big, then F1 is equal to F2. I repeat, the force of gravitation between the two bottles are the same. That is, if big exerts force F1 on small and small exerts force F2 on big, then F1 is equal to F2, because the force of gravitation, due to the force of gravitation, they pull each other. Now, why the force of gravitation is the same between the two bottles? F1 and F2 are same. Why is this so? This is because by Newton's third law of motion that you have studied in class 9th, that law states that to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So, the bottles pull each other with equal and opposite force. Students, note that the force of gravity does not exist between the two bottles. Bottles के बीच में force of gravity नहीं है. We cannot say force of gravity between the two bottles. The word gravity is used only when the force is exerted by the earth on the other body. So gravity is a specific case. It is a special case. It cannot be used everywhere. It is used only between the earth and the other body. Gravitation is the force between any two bodies that have mass. And earth is also a body. Hence the force between the earth and the other body can also be called force of gravitation. बॉटल्स के बीच में फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन है, फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी नहीं बोल सकते, बट अर्थ और एप्पल के बीच में या अर्थ और बॉटल के बीच में फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी है. दैट फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी कैन बी कॉल्ड फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन, क्योंकि अर्थ एक बॉडी है एंड द अदर बॉडी इज बॉटल और एप्पल और एनी अदर बॉडी. सो बिटवीन द टू बॉडीज फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन ऑलवेज एग्जिस्ट. सो ग्रेविटी को हम ग्रेविटेशन भी बोल सकते हैं. देयरफॉर ग्रेविटेशन इज अ यूनिवर्सल फोर्स, दैट इज इट एग्जिस्ट एवरीवेयर, एनीवेयर, बिटवीन एनी टू बॉडीज दैट हैव मास. If the bodies don't have mass, then the force of gravitation between them will be zero. So gravity is a specific case. It exists only between the earth and the other body. So between the bottles, or between the table and the chair, between the apple and the orange, we cannot use the word gravity. But gravitation can be used everywhere. It can be used between the earth and the apple. It can be used between the earth and the moon, and so on. So we will use the term force of gravitation for the earth also. So gravitation is a universal force. That is, it can be used anywhere between any two bodies. And gravity is not a universal force. It is to be used only when earth is concerned, only when the force is exerted by the earth on the other body. So henceforth we will only use the term gravitation. Now suppose FAO is the force exerted by the apple on the orange, and FOA is the force exerted by the orange on the apple. Then by Newton's third law of action and reaction, FAO is equal to FOA is equal to, say, force P. FEB is the force exerted by the earth on the body, and FBE is the force exerted by the body on the earth. Then by Newton's third law, FEB is equal to FBE is equal to, say, Q. But Q, force Q, which is between the earth and the body, is much greater than force P. So force P, the gravitation force between any two bodies, is a very weak force as compared to the gravitation force between the earth and the body. So the force of gravitation is so weak that we cannot observe the effect of the force between the bodies. So there will be no movement of the apple. Neither the apple will move towards orange, nor the orange will move towards the apple. So the force of gravity does not allow the bottles to move towards each other, or does not allow the apple and orange to move towards each other. So this means the force of gravity is much stronger than the force of gravitation. Or we can also say that the force of gravitation which the earth exerts on the bottles is much stronger than the force of gravitation between the bottles. Force of gravitation, I repeat, the force of gravitation which the earth exerts on the bottles is much stronger than the force of gravitation between the two bottles. Also note that the earth and the object is there in the figure. The object is situated at some height above the surface of the earth. So the earth exerts force of gravitation on the object, and the object also exerts equal and opposite force on the earth. But will the earth move towards the object, or the object will move towards the earth? You will say that the object moves towards the earth. The object moves towards the earth. This is because from the force equation that you had studied in class 9, F is equal to ma. Therefore, A is equal to F upon m. Since both the earth and the object are pulling each other with equal force, we treat F as constant, and hence A is inversely proportional to m. That means more the mass, less will be the acceleration, and less the mass, more will be the acceleration. The earth is a huge body. It has more mass and hence will be accelerated less, and the object having less mass will be accelerated more. So you will see the object moving towards the earth and not the earth moving towards the object. Also note that the force of gravitation between the earth and the body is much greater than the force of gravitation between the apple and the orange. Now the force of gravitation, how much is the force of gravitation between the apple and the orange, or how much is the force of gravitation between the earth and the object, or how much is the force of gravitation between the two bottles? That value, the magnitude of the force of gravitation between any two bodies, can be found by using Newton's universal law of gravitation, which states that every particle attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance of separation between them. So children, you have studied all this in the previous classes.